For years, slapping "designed for circularity" onto a pitch deck was an easy marketing win. Today, that phrase is a massive compliance liability waiting to explode. Regulators are done accepting good intentions. To survive a modern audit, your circular design claim needs a bulletproof paper trail. What does that actually look like? You must provide granular material composition data proving your materials are safe to process. You need step-by-step disassembly instructions showing exactly how parts separate. Crucially, you must guarantee verified end-of-life pathways, meaning real proof that local infrastructure can recycle your specific item at scale. Without this hard evidence, you are essentially committing circular washing. That is where compliance platforms like Speeki come into play. Speeki strips away the marketing fluff and assesses your claims directly against verifiable product data. They trace every single assertion back to real, standardized documentation. Circularity is now a rigorous data science. If you cannot prove it with documentation, you have no business claiming it.